What if DJI took everything you love about the mid-range Air series and packed it into a body that defies physics? Regulatory sightings, prototype leaks, and insider reports suggest the DJI Air 4 is on the horizon for 2026. And if the rumors are true, it's about to completely shake up the drone market. Where will the Air 4 sit in DJI's lineup? Leaks point to a massive evolution. The biggest rumor floating around is a potential sub 250-gram design. Think about that. Dropping from the 724 grams of the Air 3S down to under 250G would be a radical engineering feat. It would mean significantly fewer regulatory restrictions in many markets. Of course, fitting advanced sensors and a heavy-duty battery into an ultralight body is a massive challenge. So we'll have to see if DJI pulls it off. Camera performance is shaping up to be the Air 4's crown jewel. Word on the street is we could see either an upgraded dual camera system or even dual 1-inch sensors, blowing previous models out of the water in low light conditions and dynamic range. Unverified reports even whisper about potential 6K video recording, paired with advanced computational photography, enhanced HDR, and flexible focal lengths for creators who demand top-tier cinematic quality. Leaked prototype images also reveal a redesigned airframe with thicker arms and a brand new top-mounted sensor array, similar to the Mavic 4 Pro. This setup unlocks enhanced omnidirectional obstacle detection for safer, autonomous flight. Add in DJI's robust O4 or O4 Plus transmission technology for rock-solid connection and low latency. And rumors point to a massive 38 to 40 minutes of flight endurance. With fierce competition heating up from the Mini 5 Pro and rival creator drones, the Air 4 has a lot to live up to. But if DJI delivers a lighter body, pro-level optics, and smarter tech, it could easily be the most important mid-range release in years. What feature are you hoping DJI adds most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.